So, hey guys and gals, as most of you know, I am moving from New Hampshire to North Carolina. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do another video for a couple of weeks probably, like maybe a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at the most. Main thing is I've got to pack stuff up. So all of my camera equipment, everything I used to film, I've got to pack it up and I'm not going to be able to film anymore. So I wanted to give you a temporary goodbye and just give me a couple of weeks and there'll be a whole new exciting hello. And so, and also, like I promised, we are going to document our move once we finally get going and getting all the way there and getting to the new place and all that good stuff, so that I can share, we can share it with everybody. And our Witch in the Working community. So in the meantime, this is a quick goodbye, but not a long goodbye. And just be patient for me, please. And I will have some great new videos and some great new content going forward. We just got to take a small break so that we can have this little life change and get our shit together, so to speak. Okay, guys and gals out there, please, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your understanding and your patience and being part of my community. I love you guys. Mwah.